Welcome everyone. Today, I'll be giving you the best Temu coupon code available. And not only that, I'll also show you how you can claim a free $100 bundle, which you can use to get plenty of free items. It's simple. First, you need to click the first link in the description box. Once you've clicked it, you'll be taken to the same page as me, where you'll get a pop-up inviting you to claim this free $100 bundle. You can also scan this QR code shown on the screen to automatically apply the $100 free bundle. It'll download the Temu app, which in order to claim the bundle you need to do. And then once you've scanned the QR code and downloaded the app, you can enjoy your $100 free bundle. You can also use this code anytime in the checkout area to claim a huge discount on any of your items. Again, all relevant links will be in the description, so you can copy and paste the codes or click any links to get directly taken to the website. Also, if you haven't noticed already, through my link, you'll gain plenty of high discounted items, which will definitely catch your eye. You can scroll through all of the discounted items and find something you like. Make sure to take your time because there's so many discounts. And if you were curious about how to purchase an item, simply choose an item of choice, click the item, and fill out any necessary information to complete the order. Then you can go to the checkout area. Again, make sure to use any of the codes in the description in order to gain an even higher discount. Hopefully you guys enjoy these Temu coupon codes, deals, discounts, and even free bundles. Make sure to check them out while they last. Thanks for watching!